Hello guys, today I have a surprise for you. So on Laravel Daily.com, we are organizing a free weekend of content. All content, premium content, courses, everything free only this weekend. The logic is this. I've noticed that we publish a lot of premium content almost daily, weekly premium tutorials and courses, and a lot of people don't read those for two reasons mostly. One reason is obvious, they don't have money to purchase the membership plan, and for that I sometimes do discount, but also there are other people who just see the paywall and don't even see what's inside, don't even look. Also, they may be subscribed to other premium platform like Laracast or Code Course, and they think, oh, it's Laravel Daily, I won't subscribe for another one. So, for both of those groups of people, we are doing an experiment. I call it a marketing experiment, so maybe after looking at free content, some people would subscribe eventually, but also it's kind of like a gift for those of you who would likely never subscribe because they don't have money. So this is the article, and I will link that in the description below, but basically you can browse around all the courses here, 37 courses at the moment from what I remember, all the premium tutorials, which we publish every week. As you can see the dates, April, so a lot of new things almost every week. So all of that is free for registered members. Not for public, you still need to register, but after registration you don't need to choose any plan. Yearly or monthly, doesn't matter. So yeah, no strings attached, no other conditions, just plan your weekend or replan your weekend if you had other plans and prepare for learning experience with everything that we have. As I've shown you in this article, this promotion is until April 30 evening, UTC time. And if you are not sure what to read in that limited amount of time, I have a few recommendations here, my personal favorite courses of 2023 and also classics which are useful for everyone to dive deep into topics like structuring Laravel projects or testing for beginners. So yeah, let's not waste time. I will leave it to you to discover premium content yourself. And if you want any recommendations on what to read personally, shoot in the comments below. I will reply and recommend something and pick something for you. That's it for this time, and see you guys in other videos.